When you make your first foray into the world of incense, it can be rather confusing, both in terms of what to buy and which incense types to pick. The first piece of advice is to prioritize quality over price. Inexpensive incense sticks will often be blank sticks dipped into a chemical perfume, which when lit will not provide a real incense experience, and will smell very chemically. Try to purchase natural ingredients where possible. After that, you'll need to select which types of incense you're going to use. This will depend entirely on what type of feeling you want to evoke and ultimately what outcome you'd like to achieve. There are many guides to incense all over the internet, so it would be wise to study one or two of these first. Lastly, it is vital to remember that the use of incense does involve burning and the use of a flame, so safety is absolutely paramount. Thanks for watching.